This is Ashwagandha Bounce. So this moisturizer gives you all the benefits of like a really solid moisturizer, but at the same time it's really lightweight. Let me show it to you. The two key ingredients are ashwagandha and sodium hyaluronate. Now sodium hyaluronate, that's the part that helps keep your skin hydrated. And we also have ashwagandha, which works as an antioxidant. My skin feels really hydrated, it feels nourished, but it doesn't feel greasy. I also wanted to tell you all, when I started my skincare routine, for some reason, I don't know why, I would always do this part of my face and not focus on the neck and the clavicle. Over the years, I've learned that that's so important. The other thing that I really like doing is just warming up the product in the palm of your hands. Whatever product you're using, especially moisturizers and oils, I love warming it up a bit. And then you go and just sort of pat it. It just feels beautifully